Hi everyone! Today we will explore the difference between power Doppler and color Doppler, especially for evaluating arteriovenous fistula. Color Doppler is great for visualizing the direction and speed of blood flow. It's ideal for assessing dynamic flow patterns and identifying abnormalities. Power Doppler, on the other hand, focuses on the strength of the blood flow signal. This makes it highly sensitive to even low or slow flow, and it's less dependent on the angle of the probe. When you're trying to confirm the presence of thrombosis in an AV fistula, power Doppler can be more advantageous. It's particularly useful because it can detect flow regardless of the angle, making it easier to spot any residual flow and identify thrombosis. To sum up, while color Doppler is excellent for detailed flow analysis, power Doppler's sensitivity and angle independence make it a powerful tool for detecting thrombosis in AV fistula evaluation.